Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG and PNG version of the 12 Layout Frame Mockup in PIxlr. First, go to PIxlr.com in any web browser, PIxlr.com. It's going to give us a couple of options. We'll click Playful Pixlr X, and then to open up the mockups, we'll click Open Image. It's going to let us select the mockup off our computer. You'll have JPEG backgrounds, and then you'll have the transparent layouts. So first we'll open one of the JPEG backgrounds. So select whichever one you want to use, and then click Choose. It's going to ask us if we want to size that down. We don't, so we'll just click Original to open up the original size. Now we've got our background, and we want to add one of the frame layouts to it. So to open up the frame layout, we'll click on this bottom icon on the left hand side that says Add Image when you hover over it. And that'll give us several options. We'll click Browse to open up the frame layout off our computer. So in this 12 layouts folder, we'll have a bunch of different transparent PNG layouts. Select the one that you want to use, and then click Choose. It's going to ask you if you want to add it as a layer in the current document or create a new document. So just click Add Current to add it as a layer in the current document. And it's just going to paste that as a new layer right in the current document. And now you just want to put your art in between these two layers. So we'll go back to this bottom icon on the left hand side that says Add Image when you hover over it. We'll click on that, and then we'll click Browse again to find the design. And we're going to see the same message about creating a new document or adding to the current document. We'll click Add Current again. It's going to add that as the top layer, which will change in a little bit. To resize the design, you want to hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and then just click and drag in any of the four corners to size it down. Dragging in makes it smaller, dragging out makes it bigger. And then once you've got it sized about right, you want to drag the design underneath the frame layer. So just click on the top layer with your design and drag it underneath the frame layer in the Layers panel. And that's all there is to adding your design with the PNG and JPEG version of the frame mockup. So when you're all done, you just want to click Save. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail on sites like Etsy, you're probably going to want to save a JPEG version. So I click JPEG, change the quality to 100, leave it on high, and then just click Download. And then it's going to give you a message just letting you know that the image was saved to the default download folder on your device. It'll also give you an option to change that folder if you want to do that. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And please remember that this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.